Alright, gang, this is the final update before the massive June 7th live stream broadcast from Poppy's Workshop. Last night I mentioned it on the update. Rescued these two guys from the dinner plate last night. These are the Spuddy Buddies. Googly eyes. Tomorrow, you guys get to name them, and we'll see how long it takes to come to a suitable YouTube fate for the Spuddy Buddies. And of course, auctioning off the haircut and shave. Gonna play a geek chorus. And I'm going to tell you about one episode that I came up with for the Connor family. It was going to be for Roseanne, but she off script and got fired. Boom. That's okay. She was mostly superfluous in that treatment anyway, so. And hopefully a special feature or two. Anyway, it will be really wild. Extremely wild. I mean, it could even go viral. So, June 7th, noon California time, Poppy's Workshop goes live. Be there, or be square, and wonder what all your friends are talking about at the water cooler. Here they are, gang, the Spuddy Buddies. I rescued them from the dinner plate last night. Tomorrow, June 7th, you guys get to name them. Where is it? Here they are. Googly eyes.